Hey guys, it's Michael here with Eagle Echo. I just wanted to show a quick demonstration what we've been working on for many years. When we run across the LP board, we thought that would be a good connection. Um, so we know in the industry that on these commercial buildings, they have control joints that they set up, but those control joints are designed to move with the building, but the synthetic stuccos are cracking in there, and then it starts leaking behind it and all that stuff. So we come up with a different process, and I want to kind of walk it through it. But our goal has always been to try to compete with the EIFS. Get with a manufacturer to produce something that was better than the styrofoam system out there, the EIFS system. And we think we have it, but it would take somebody with a board like y'all's to work with us to get this. But our goal is to, as y'all know, the EIFS system is probably on 80 or 90% of the commercial industrial industry. It's just there's no, even though insurance companies are not allowing on some of their jobs, the builders are still going with it because of the price of it. So it would take a combination, but with our system, as we cut out some of the steps and products that's involved with the EIFS, we believe we could get those numbers down. So this is just a demonstration of with y'all's product, the Ormastrand. So it would be the substrate and the blocks, any size blocks the designer, architect, engineer wanted on that building. Or if they didn't want blocks, they just wanted the stucco look, they could go with that. But as everybody knows, they're doing a lot of, on the hotels, of just using this for example, they're using a lot of the control joints to make their aesthetic design on the building, make it look like cast stone, whatever. So this is just a quick look at it. So as I start taking the layers off, this is our, as you can see, if we use this as a WRB, the screw heads heel around. If they wanted to go on top of it, would heel around the our cork heels around the screw head. So a lot of those WRBs, they rip, and they're whatever they were made of, they twist and they turn, and as y'all probably know, it causes leakage right there. But so here's what we're proposing is coming in with our sealant, which is very flexible. You can see our product moves on it. So the control joints would never crack or anything like that. So with our sealant that we could use, which is probably $6 a tube, comparison to what the Huber makes theirs is, I think it's $30 for their tube. And I'm putting ours in a tube, but it would actually be in a bucket. So I'm trying to compare the prices. But as y'all know, the Huber system, they show the demonstration I saw. There was they caulk the joints and the screw holes, etc. And then y'all go with the steps past it. So what we would do is ours comes in a bucket, and we would trowel it on much like you would do sheetrock mud. Trowel screw hose. Of course, our product's waterproof, so we wouldn't have to go up 2 foot at the bottom of the base of the building. That's another step it cut out. So we would go with that. Then we would directly put a layer of this. They could either go with just a single layer or go with a layer of the Ormastrand on top of that to create the blocks. And we would spray the whole thing with cork over it. So it would go into the control. I mean, well, we wouldn't need control joints then. The boards itself would act as the control joints. It would give it that aesthetic appeal, looking like the control joints. Anyway, just a quick video I wanted to show y'all and what our ideas were, and I'd like to get in more talks with y'all about this.